Have you had a client where you got them pre-qualified? You did all the right things. You got them pre-qualified. You've got your offer letter. You went out and you made an offer that was accepted. Now you're in underwriting and something came up that is either a deal killer or something that's going to delay the closing to where they might lose the house. Yeah, this actually happened to one of my clients just last week. So they were pre qualified, they were approved, everything was good to go. And then their lender found on an obscure document child support. And it was not just a small amount of child support, it was a large amount of child support. This is something that is important that if the realtor knows there's child support, or buyers, please tell your lenders that there's child support because there are a multitude of ways that we will find out about said child support. So don't hide this information. But the bottom line is that child support came up after they were under contract. So the realtor had already had inspections done. That was pretty costly for the buyer. The realtor had already gone through all the time and effort to negotiate the transaction. That's time, and time is money. It truly was a painful experience for everyone involved. Thank goodness they were able to come to me and we were able to restructure the file and find a path that worked for the buyer to where they could still have the house. But sometimes that's not the case. And in this situation, the lender really didn't do anything wrong. They took the application, given the information they were given. They even did an underwrite on the file and they didn't find the child support. It wasn't until an obscure verification came in that said, oh, by the way, there's $1,000 of child support due every month. That's a bit of a surprise. So, with that being said, today I would love for you to create a video that says, make sure if you have debts that are not your traditional debts, like child support, tax payments that you have to pay, buy here, pay here, anything that you have to pay monthly that probably doesn't report to your actual credit bureau, please let your lender know about that. These type of items can absolutely make a total mess of your transaction. It can stop or delay closing and oftentimes have you losing the house. Make this video so that not only are you helping people on the front end, you're helping your lender. Goodness gracious, do we appreciate that? And hey, lenders out there, you should record this exact message. Come on, make this message and let's get it out there. How many transactions and how many lives would be so much less complicated if people just made sure on that one declarations page on the application where it says, do you have any undisclosed debts? They said, yes, that would be wonderful. But it just doesn't often happen. But let's educate today. Let's help them know that they can make sure and tell their lender. The more you tell them up front, the better your loan progress will be. And by the way, if the first lender can't work with what you've got, try another trusted lender. Go to your realtor and find out who the trusted lenders are in the area that find ways of making things happen. The people with good expertise and miracle working. They'll know who that is because oftentimes we can find a path that doesn't work with other banks or people that have different rules on their credit. So make sure you don't give up after the first lender. But with that being said, let's go out there and create a video for your social media that presents you as the guru, and let's go ahead and help all of our partners in crime out as well. By the way, Recharging with Champions, this script will be in your June scripts, which comes out May 15th. While you're there, go check out all of the other scripts. We have a complete content calendar for May already out there with scripts for May. Go check it out, make some videos on your own, and we'll see you next time.